Hello everyone, welcome to Finnovation. Today is Christmas, that's why I'm wearing my elf costume. Today I'm going to be playing with a 3D pen and seeing how it works. I've seen these on YouTube and stuff, but I want to try one out for myself, so let's open it. So right off the bat we've got a 3D printer, or a 3D printing pen I guess. Let's see what else we have. Little booklet. Guess it's a charger port. Looks like another thing, another charging thing. Let's open that up. Ugh. Okay. Then, wonder what this is. I bet it's something to put on the back or something. Got two, I think, thumb protectors. Some 3D printing cable. Just a piece of whatever. That. And I guess a kind of an ideas booklet. That's pretty cool. Let's see what we can make. Okay, in my last clip, I wondered what this was. This is actually a stand for your 3D printing pen. It gets hot like a hot glue gun, so you just set it on the stand. Okay, time for controls. So the basic controls for the 3D printing pen is you press the play button to get it started, to get it come out. You press it again to make it stop. The M button right here, this makes it go slower or faster. M1, it'll say on the screen how fast you're going. M1 is slow, M2 is medium, and M3 is fast. Then the U button right here, this makes all of the filament come out. That's how you take the filament out. How you put it in is you just put it in and then press the play button, and it should go in. Then all you have to do is start drawing. Okay, I'm going to attempt, keyword attempt, to make a shark or something of that matter. So let's see how it goes. Okay, so this has taken a long time and it's not turning out very nice. So what I think I'm going to make is a guy swimming. This looks a lot easier. The shark, well, it wasn't turning out so well. Okay, I keep changing ideas. I think I'm going to do a guy surfing. This, I think, is even easier. Okay, I have my quote-unquote wave done. I mean, I tried to make as much of an arc as I could. It didn't turn out as well as I hoped, but that's alright. Now let's make the surfer. Okay, I finished the surfer guy. This was way easier than I thought at first. At first, it took me 20 minutes to make a super simple cube or something. But after you get the hang of it, this is super easy. So for about a half hour, it took me to make this, and this was almost my first thing. So probably only takes an hour to learn to use one of these. And I'm still really new at this. And I made this, so I think this is pretty good. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure you leave a like, subscribe, comment down below what you thought, and Finnovation out.